In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up an Edmodo class. To begin, open a web browser. For this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome. Go to edmodo.com. For this tutorial, you will need an Edmodo teacher account. If you do not have one and wish to follow the tutorial on creating one, watch my other video, Edmodo Creating a Teacher Account. If you do have an Edmodo teacher account, sign in now using your credentials. This is a rather lengthy video, so I will fast forward through this part. After typing in your credentials, click Login. This is the Edmodo page when you first create a teacher account. It looks overwhelming, but after this video you should be able to conquer it with ease. The first thing we want to do is create a group. To do this, click on Create a Group on the left-hand side of the screen. A prompt will appear asking for the name, the grade or grade range, and subject area. For this tutorial, I will be calling my group Dotson's Technology class with the grades 9th through 12th and the subject of computer technology. After you're done filling out these subject fields, click Create. Another prompt will appear asking for the expected group size and the description of the group. What you put down for expected group size does not limit the number of members you may have. After you're done filling out these fields, click Finish. Now that we have created the group, we need to add members. There are a few different ways to add members to your group. To give them the provided group code which they can use to find the group. Note, student accounts are asked when signing up for a group code. And for existing members, you can use a join URL which all they have to do is click on to join. Let's go through a few of the things you can do as a teacher. In the top section of your teacher control, you can create a note that publishes on the group posts wall. Create an alert that publishes to the group posts wall. The only difference between a post and an alert is that an alert is bolded. You can assign an assignment by filling out the assignment title, loading the assignment, and giving a due date. For this tutorial, I will be calling my assignment Tech 101. I will give it a description of Chapter 1, Assignment 1. If you don't want students submitting an assignment after its due date, click the Lock this assignment after its due date checkbox. I will set its due date to be March 12th, 2014, and then I will upload an assignment. There are several options when it comes to uploading an assignment. You can use something from your computer, you can use a link, or you can use something from your library. To upload something from your computer, click on Upload File, then browse to the file you wish to use and hit Open. To use a link, click on the Link button and type in a link. You use your library to store files you know you're going to use in the future. To add something from the library, click on Library and browse to the file you want to use. You may also use files from your Google Drive if you have your Google account connected to your Edmodo account. I show you how to connect these two in a different tutorial. The last option you can use is Schedule Post. You can choose a day and choose a time something is said. For example, I can schedule a post to say, quote, "Your Chapter 1 Assignment 1 is due tomorrow," end quote. Even though it's called Schedule Post, you can actually send the post now by clicking Send Now. Once you're done configuring the post, click Send. The assignment is now scheduled to go out to the students on the date we have picked. The next option you may do as a teacher is create a quiz. I cover creating quizzes in Edmodo in a different tutorial. The last option in this section is the creation of a poll. Type in your question and the answers. You can add another answer by clicking the Add Answer button. You can also schedule this post to be sent out to the students on a different day by clicking the clock. After you're done, click Send. If we click on the Scheduled tab, we can see all the assignments that we have scheduled for a different date. This is the end of part 1 of the tutorial Edmodo class setup.